Add user with Auto 2FA. To log in using 2FA, start by adding an account by entering the username, password, and email, then submit the details. The account will appear on the dashboard. Open the user details pop-up by selecting the account, then enable the 2FA switch, input the Instagram account's 2FA secret, and enable the 2FA auto verification switch. Ensure that the Chrome browser is installed on your system. Click Get Data to attempt login and retrieve data. When the 2FA auto verification switch is enabled, Social Maker will automatically open the Chrome browser and retrieve the code for the system. Wait for the system to complete the login process. Upon successful verification, a success message will confirm the login and data retrieval.